Hello everyone, welcome to our Durmapress factory. I'm Luna, this is Ada. Today we have customers coming to test the machine. Come with us and have a look.
Today, we'd like to introduce our denting shearing machine, a key piece of equipment for any sheet metal processing workshop. This machine features a hydraulic drive and a denting type structure, offering outstanding cutting accuracy and durability. Key advantages include high cutting precision. The frame is welded and stressed, relieved to ensure high rigidity and minimal deformation. Adjustable blade gap. Blade clearance can be precisely adjusted to match different material thickness. This denting shearing machine is equipped with the E21S controller, offering simple operation and stable performance. The hydraulic drive and robust frame make it ideal for efficient cutting of carbon steel, stainless steel, and more. It's built for high efficiency, low maintenance, and long service life.
Okay, above is a brief introduction of the shearing machine. If you like our machine, please contact us. See you next time. Bye-bye.